The errorcode F28 error on a Kenmore washer indicates a communication issue between the motor control unit and the computer circuit unit, often caused by faulty connections between the units. To fix this issue, start by disconnecting the washer from the power supply by unplugging it or switching off the circuit breaker. Then, remove the top panel using a screwdriver to access the inside of the washer and locate the computer circuit unit, also known as the main machine control. Remove and replace each connector, ensuring they are plugged in correctly. Next, replace the top cover and remove the back panel to access the motor control unit. Again, removing and replacing each connector and plugging them in correctly. Once all connectors have been checked and replaced, screw back the panels and reconnect the washer to the power supply. Turn on the washer and monitor it to see if the error returns. If the issue persists, it may be a technical problem that requires professional assistance.